Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Fundsmith Equity Fund Review My Usage Experience. Fundsmith Equity Fund Review My Usage Experience offers independent analysis and insights into the Fundsmith Equity Fund. It's primarily aimed at potential and existing investors looking for a deeper understanding of the fund's performance, strategy, and holdings. Key features likely include detailed portfolio breakdowns, performance metrics, and potentially commentary on the fund manager's decisions. Their website provides details on their research methodology and subscription options. They position themselves as providing unbiased and in-depth analysis, which is a valuable resource compared to relying solely on marketing materials. Pricing transparency isn't explicitly stated on their site, but based on similar services, it's likely a subscription-based model. The analysis is likely based on publicly available data and their proprietary research methods. Availability is global, provided you can access their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Fundsmith Equity Fund Review My Usage Experience. I initially found the website easy to navigate. Signing up was straightforward, and I was able to access the reports almost immediately. The interface is clean and well-organized, making it easy to find specific information, such as the fund's top holdings or its performance over various timeframes. I was particularly impressed by the detailed explanations provided for each portfolio decision, giving context to the fund's overall strategy. The performance data presented was comprehensive, allowing for easy comparison against relevant benchmarks. I had a quick question about a specific holding and their support team responded within 2 days via email, which was satisfactory. One minor drawback was the slightly dated design of the website. A modern refresh would enhance the user experience. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. The depth of analysis and the insightful commentary provided significant value in helping me better understand the Fundsmith Equity Fund and its suitability for my investment portfolio. The standout feature for me was definitely the in-depth explanation of the fund manager's investment philosophy and rationale behind their decisions. That's my overview of Fundsmith Equity Fund Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.